frozen object, but a property still changed. That is the freeze versus seal trap. Object.freeze is the most restrictive option. Once you call it on an object, 3 operations become permanently blocked, adding new properties, removing existing ones, and modifying any property values. In strict mode, attempts to do any of these throw a type error. In non-strict mode, they silently do nothing. The object is genuinely read-only. Object.seal is more permissive. It prevents adding new properties and blocks, deleting existing ones, so the object structure, its set of keys, is fixed. But here is the key difference. You can still modify the values of those existing properties. Seal controls the shape of the object, but not the contents. Reach for freeze when working with constants, configuration objects, API endpoint maps, or design tokens that must never mutate. Seal is the right pick when structure is defined up front, but values can still evolve, like a settings object. Now the critical caveat for both: they are shallow. If a frozen object holds a nested object as a property, the inner object is still fully mutable. True deep immutability requires recursively calling freeze on every nested level. Use freeze for complete immutability, seal to lock structure while keeping values flexible. And remember, both are only skin deep. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.